Welcome aboard SmartTech, your gateway to the latest in heavy machinery and the fascinating realm of agriculture technology. Prowess has introduced the world to the new Raptor 200, a powerful machine with rugged compact design and ergonomic cab. The model impresses with 190 horsepower, while being relatively lightweight at 20 pounds. The manufacturer also decided to install a powerful Cat C4.4 engine, which allows this machine to feel quite confident both on the steep slopes and on soft ground. In the video, you can see the Raptor 200 working in close cooperation with the M450S attachment. Together, they represent a high-tech machine that is ideal for all types of land clearing, lane maintenance, and forestry work. Lagoon Crawler is the world's first remote-controlled amphibious campaign boat. Since its creation in 2014, demand for the Lagoon Crawler has increased rapidly, with more than 175 machines on the market today. The non-Lagoon Crawler is an amphibious machine designed for agitating lagoons. The wheels can be lowered down, giving the vehicle approximately 5 feet of ground clearance. The unit then drives into the lagoon, where it's converted into a campaign boat. In the Lagoon Crawler is powered by a non-header series 4-point slurry pump. Volumes exceeding 10,000 gallons per minute are used to maneuver the pontoon through the lagoon and agitate solids from the bottom. The non-Lagoon Crawler does not require a priming system. Once the sump is emptied, the 4 wheels are lowered and the machine can drive itself out of the sump. The LR1500 crawler crane guarantees the lifting capacity of a 500-ton crawler crane over its entire operating range, while its dimensions and component weights match those of a 400-ton crane. It's highly compact, and thanks to its components weighing up to 45 tons, is suitable for unrestricted worldwide transport. This model is characterized not only by intelligent and economical transport, but also by its easy assembly and operation. Thanks to the powerful main hoist, it's possible to move the crane with the lifted load up to the maximum. Thus, a second winch for double pulling is not required when lifting heavy loads. The new E7000 self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. The machine has a larger cleaning chain area than any other harvester, which is one of the main advantages. The EcoClean system removes dust from the outlet, and the independent floating pickup head follows the ground contours perfectly. The joystick control allows you to make adjustments with your fingertips. In addition, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored holes up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA or moving mode, where it can install piles up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. The GU70 chainsaw is the ideal machine for opening and exploring tunnels. Thanks to the fifth wheel under the rotating guide rail, the machine can make horizontal and vertical cuts. The machine can be operated by one operator. This model is capable of cutting hard stone and marble up to 125 inches deep. With the Tierra telematics monitoring system for Fantini chainsaws, you can track real-time data and movements related to your machine. With Tierra maps, it's easy to view machine performance information, such as engine hours, engine on-off, I/O, pressure, and cutting speed. Camera KSI is a Shokum injectable nozzle for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. In fact, it's a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments for injecting and mixing a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. This new injection equipment is available in 2 sizes to fit excavators with operating weights from 35 to 80 tons and can be supplied with different blade lengths. The KSI 5000 drive can be operated with blades for mixing depths of 10, 13, and 16 feet, while the larger KSI 10000 can be operated with blades for mixing depths of 20, 26, or 33 feet. Incidentally, both models can be supplied with a rotation module as an optional extra. Rheinmetall has unveiled its HX 8x8 heavy recovery vehicle, which is often used by the military in training, operations, and disaster response. These are the first vehicles in the world to use an integrated interchangeable armored cab, allowing the vehicle to be easily configured according to operational needs. The heavy recovery vehicle is only 8.4 feet wide, provides greater accessibility, and excels in difficult terrain, traversing ditches 4.6 feet wide and heavily flooded areas 5.5 feet deep, as well as traversing gradients up to 60 degrees. The CAT Model 320D is a high-performance amphibious excavator that features a patented direct-drive multi-synchronous motor system that allows you to dredge while afloat in shallow water. They are better suited for removing silty clay, clearing silted trenches, working in marshes and shallow water than traditional barge dredgers. The pontoons are made of high-strength steel and are resistant to atmospheric corrosion and salt water. Each pontoon has 3 independent watertight compartments with a maintenance opening. The bottoms of the pontoons are reinforced for rough terrain. The pontoon tracks are driven by the excavator engine and main hydraulic pumps with travel motors. Singapore-based heavy lifting and transportation company Tiong Woon Corporation Holding Limited has added the new XCMG XCA all-terrain crane to its fleet. As a result, the combination of high lifting capacity and best-in-class boom length makes this crane ideal for various applications. The crane is designed to meet the most stringent European standards. Its overall length is just over 39 feet, and its width is less than 8.4 feet. It has a maximum grading capacity of 70% and a minimum turning diameter of 46.5 feet. The CEPIM Model BMS mounted forestry mulcher is designed for 29,000 to 55,000 pound class excavators that mulch brush and timber with ease. The BMS mulcher head features a forest rotor capable of mulching vegetation up to 10 inches in diameter. The BMS mulcher is a very powerful attachment for various excavators for clearing riverbanks, gas lines, forests, roads, and other hard-to-reach areas. The CEPI Excavator BMS mulcher can be equipped with several types of rotors and cutters. The choice of working tools allows the machine to be adapted to different types of work. The Manitowoc Model 18,000 lattice boom crawler crane has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. With its easy assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large section of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom head allows this equipment to solve many tasks in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide the opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. The new Monsoon Lift combines ease of use, safety, and precision. Thanks to its quadruple brake and hydraulically lowered chassis, the lift can be safely driven on roads with a total height of less than 13 feet and in the field with a ground clearance of more than 1.8 feet. This means it can be used in the field as a walk-through machine with a pipe-laying boom or a turntable for pulling pipe. In the field, the remote control simplifies setup, allowing for convenient and accurate elevator alignment. When combined with a nozzle cart, working widths up to 315 feet are possible. Case IH has won the 2022 Good Design Award for their new Patriot 50 Series sprayer. The machine was designed to help growers and marketers work more efficiently, all thanks to an exceptional operator environment, integrating spraying technology, full machine control, and advanced communication solutions. Operators will appreciate the modern yet luxurious cab environment and the innovative four-link chassis suspension system that provides excellent ride quality, making the cab experience even more comfortable. The proprietary front cab and rear engine design and durable boom are important elements of this machine, allowing the operators to achieve accurate and timely spraying at all times. You'll agree that this is simply the ideal planting machine and at the same time, a farm perching machine. With the help of all the attachments installed, you can prepare your soil for further work. After 2 years of development, including over 2,000 hours of field testing and countless hours of research by Roxgon's own team, the latest version of the renowned Redefiner is now available. The advanced, award-winning H4 Redefiner is a tractor-driven hydraulic rock crushing machine designed to crush, loosen, blend, and level unsuitable lateritic rock, creating highly productive farmland. The latest model features more aggressive rock penetration, more efficient, which saves time and money and allows more land to be used productively. The TV1000 Plus Performance line is a powerful, high-speed self-propelled snowblower designed specifically for professional airport snow removal. It was designed for heavy snow removal conditions and can handle any type of snow from 3.2 to 6.5 feet deep in just one pass. The machine is mounted on a specially designed chassis and features a unique flying cab that allows the driver to be positioned in front or behind the snowplow chute for optimal visibility during operation, loading, clearing, and dumping. The TV1000 is powered by 2 Volvo Penta engines with a total of 1,000 horsepower and a snow removal capacity of more than 7,500 tons of snow per hour, with a throw distance of more than 115 feet. The electro-steered tank combines non-standards of ruggedness and simplicity with a precise and safe steering system. The machine is equipped with electronic steering, whereby the steering angle of the tanker is automatically limited as speed increases. This increases the stability and safety of the machinery and makes it very comfortable for the driver. The Elder-Steer chassis is designed for a speed of 40 miles per hour and provides unrivaled smoothness. Large diameter tires create a large contact area with the field. Full fenders with LED lights all around provide excellent visibility at night. The manure tank spreader is electrically powered with a 12,000-gallon capacity. This manure tank is equipped with an injector and an attached boom. The Outlaw pump trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even in the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Its 3-section boom swivels 270 degrees, 180 degrees to the left and 90 degrees right, allowing for single-location installation and multiple pump-outs at once. Installation and removal is done without starting the engine, but the 12-volt DC hydraulic pump automatically controls the scraper. The electric pump also provides backup hydraulic flow for emergency boom operation. Kubler Spedition transported several large ship parts from point A to point B for further transportation. The inland waterway transportation vessel MS Utling arrived in Bavaria Roth. The excursion ship arrived from a shipyard near Bonn and was brought ashore in 2 parts, the hull and the upper deck, using heavy-duty mobile cranes. On Monday evening, the transportation was carried out on a low-bed truck of the said company on a large highway. Transportation on the highway was a challenge for all involved because of the dimensions. The ship is 223 feet long, almost 32 feet wide, weighs about 400 tons, and costs about 5 million euros. You can see for yourself how this powerful forklift handled such a seemingly impossible task. The Cinnabogan mobile material demolition machine with quick change system mounted on the grapple combines the best of both worlds. It impresses with the qualities of material handling equipment designed and thoroughly tested for long-term use in scrapyards, namely efficiency, endurance, and long reach. Areas of application for the 825 model are scrap metal, bulk goods, and recyclable materials. Additionally, it can be used as a demolition machine for dismantling 3 to 4-story buildings by using the appropriate type of boom and equipment. The model can be equipped with an electric or diesel engine. You don't have to choose between performance and precision. After all, Samson TSB semi-trailers have proven their worth in the field. The company's commitment to flexibility and innovation drives its specialists to develop cutting-edge solutions to meet the changing needs of its customers. Samson TSB is a solid investment as it offers several working widths, easy integration on new and existing tankers, and a compact transport position. I would also like to emphasize the high loading capacity and excellent contour adaptation. The advantages of the machine include precise application, improved soil penetration, reduced odors and ammonia emissions, and nutrient evaporation. Believe me, this machine will take good care of your plants because it has an economical application style. This multi-armed robot sees more than 90% of the fruit growing on the tree in just a fraction of a second, and it picks ripe apples much faster than plantation workers. The HD9 drum crusher, mounted on a Caterpillar cat loader, is specifically engineered for crushing round wood into processed chips. This equipment excels in handling medium-sized round wood. The quality of the chips produced is suitable for both combustion in specialized boilers and for manufacturing various products, such as MDF or chipboard. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet, a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor, and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new surge hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model is a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU Stage 3B compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. You see the high-performance hooded cable plow, which was created by the two companies, Lehrer and Graf Cable Plug, and it's really a cost-effective alternative to laying fiber optic pipes. With their own fields of construction, electrical engineering, and communications, the companies can offer complete solutions for broadband expansion in projects of any size. That's why they created their ideal track plow for overland installation in different agricultural areas. It is designed just right for laying along transportation routes. .360 rain requires far less water than traditional irrigation systems. Depending on the size of the field, wells only need to supply 100 to 225 gallons per minute to the system. In addition, the 360 rain can irrigate irregularly shaped fields that are not suitable for typical center pivot irrigation systems. The rain system also provides 100% field coverage. Essentially, the 360 rain is a 3-wheeled electric vehicle that uses field-proven irrigation industry components, including tires and a galvanized metal frame. So this machine delivers 3 or 4 inches of critical moisture that activates soil microbes, improving grain fill and allowing plants to thrive. You're about to see how Max Wild specialists, together with their construction equipment, demolish a dilapidated bridge on an A7 highway over the River Iller in Germany. The bridge, 197 feet long and 62 feet wide, was stressed across and along with extra-strong pre-stressed steel. The team utilized 9 excavators at once with various attachments, including a shredder, demolition and scrap shears, a sorting grapple, and a hydraulic chisel. Also utilized were 2 Max Wild wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and various trucks. No more straining when splitting wood. Simply place the wood under the rotating device and calmly control the process. The Speed Sprayer garden sprayer stands out as the perfect self-contained tool for pest control, boasting the most spacious cab in its class. Its control panel is designed for simplicity, making operation significantly more straightforward. This ensures that your garden remains well-maintained and produces a bountiful harvest with ease. The Converse C91 is a dredger for small waterways, canals, and lakes. Thanks to the CW10 quick coupling system, various tools such as a dredging pump, mowing bucket, chain mower, and grapple can be connected to the tool holder. The C91 has two outriggers, one at the front and one in the rear. The masts range in length from 157 to 236 inches. For propulsion, the manufacturer has equipped the boat with a double anti-coiling auger that is hydraulically height adjustable and foldable. The C91 comes standard with a cockpit and pontoons. For those who love and burn their own business, but do not want to undermine their health, apparently, something was invented for such a technique. After all, it really does make the work effortless. Husqvarna DXR 300 is the latest machine for demolition of structures. It has high power, low weight, and a very functional design. At the same time, maneuverable and powerful stand-up machine with a large working area. Equipped with an easy-to-use remote control and well-thought-out design. Various attachments can be added to this machine. For example, a circular saw, as in the video. This makes the DXR 300 effective for almost all heavy hazardous work on construction sites and facilities where the operator's health and life are at risk. MacDon windrowers have set an unrivaled standard for innovation, performance, and speed. The M2 series roller mowers surpass this by adding even more power and refinements, an intuitive operator interface when harvesting your next crop. The machine has two new Cummins Stage 5 turbo diesel engines that provide more power, improved efficiency, and easier maintenance. Further, the Harvest Touch display provides easy operation with an intuitive touchscreen interface to keep you productive all day long. Plus, all the usual benefits that make MacDon mowers a head start, like dual steering, 360-degree night vision, cross-flex suspension, and more. Get more yield throughout the entire harvest with MacDon M2 mowers. In nature, the Titan element is a symbol of stability, reliability, and durability at a comparatively low weight. These characteristics were the defining conditions for the development of the new machine generation. To guarantee the widest possible range of applications with the best results, we offer a new shredding option: wood waste, green waste, car bodies, scrap, and construction waste. Arches VZ950E has a Volvo Penta diesel engine with 768 horsepower and a centralized control panel with a multifunctional display for reading the machine's indicators. The tracked undercarriage guarantees the highest maneuverability, even on rough terrain. The machine also has additional rubber elements to protect asphalt and concrete surfaces from damage. The large loading body allows the shredding of large-sized material. Boom-type bridge elevators, manufactured by Baron SRL, are used for maintenance of highway bridges, viaducts, providing access to objects both under and above the bridge. Boom bridge elevators are mounted on automobile chassis and travel on public roads. They reached under bridges on various elevator models ranging from 16 to 72 feet, with lowering depths up to 98 feet. The work platform, with a lifting capacity of up to 660 pounds, is made of aluminum alloy and accommodates up to 3 people. The elevator can be operated from the ground or from the work platform. You see a new high-capacity side discharge trailer capable of transporting large quantities of waste in a single trip, with the added advantage of time due to high-speed unloading cycles. With a volume of 70 cubic meters and an empty weight of 10.2 tons, this tipper is ideal for any bulk material transport where large volumes of materials are required. The side tipper can transport forestry waste, organic matter, construction and demolition waste. The ingenious wall tilt allows this trailer to unload cargo more efficiently due to its higher center of gravity. All parts of the trailer can be made of aluminum or high-strength hard-ox steel according to the customer's wishes. ADEX Group introduces the Genius Mega Demolition Crane. The Mega Demolition Crane has an operating weight of 320 tons, an operating height of up to 229 feet, an operating depth of up to 98 feet, and can be built with various boom configurations and different tools such as a 16-ton concrete paver and bolt cutter, hydraulic hammer and concrete cutter. Genius delivers projects safer, faster, and more efficiently and minimizes environmental inconvenience. The crane can be used in large industrial and infrastructure works, offshore projects, and urban areas. This fully automatic mobile brick-making machine is a new-age technology that can produce up to 25,000 bricks in just 1 hour. This model of mobile brick-making machine, the BMM 410, is portable and mobile and can lay bricks anywhere, anytime, and in any quantity according to the requirements of the most demanding customer. The XXL Manure Mixer from Hotzel. Strongly mixed means well mixed. This machine is the ideal solution if floating layers need to be mixed quickly and economically, or if your own mixing technology no longer works. Slurry mixers distribute the material evenly in the fermenter so that the microorganisms can optimally utilize their food, a basic requirement for high gas yields. Powerful agitators on extremely movable arms with a reach of up to 122 feet and a range of 370 degrees allow efficient mixing of the mass even under difficult conditions. The Mulag Eco 1200 Plus mower allows you to efficiently cut excess grass on roadsides where there are gullies, ditches, holes, and other irregularities. This machine offers an innovative mowing concept that meets the increased environmental requirements for roadside greenery maintenance. This model is designed so that the cutting height does not exceed 4 inches. Thanks to the combination of the new Mulag green maintenance head and the proven prefabricated boom system, the green area is neatly mowed in one pass, while at the same time, the cut material is collected and transported away. Reel mowers, such as the Jacobsen mower, are specifically designed for small, level mowing areas and require considerable effort to operate. However, they offer unparalleled mowing quality and convenience, providing an experience unmatched by any other mowing machine. The Jacobsen mower stands as one of the finest in this category. In this video, the long logger from Elephant Stone works with sun chip harvesting. With easy loader bolt-on attachment options, the vehicle can be easily adapted and modified for most log hauling applications. This vehicle configuration is also available in a standard flat tow option. The Easy Loader is unique in that it covers all applications, from general access routes to B-triple routes, from 32 to 68 tons of payload. Stretchable mud guards and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making it easy to clean and reduce road spray and mud on logs. If you're looking to uniformly trim yew plants up to 180 centimeters high, Damcon offers a specialized machine tailored for this task. This manufacturer has set a high standard in machine efficiency and performance. With this machine, you can be completely confident in achieving consistent size and volume in your yew plants, thanks to the proven quality of Damcon's offerings. Zoom Lion Heavy Industry Technology has introduced the world's tallest telescopic self-propelled aerial elevator, model ZT68J. According to the specifications, the new self-propelled unit has a maximum working height of 221 feet. The boom reaches a maximum outreach of 1,220 inches, and the platform has a lifting capacity of nearly half a ton. The slewing mechanism provides 360-degree continuous rotation. The Zoom Lion elevator is capable of traveling independently at a maximum speed of up to 2.8 miles per hour. The high ground clearance of up to 16 inches allows it to overcome small obstacles in its path. This is the new M-Park multi-purpose armored truck crane, which is equipped with an armored cockpit designed for 4 crew members. External cameras provide 360-degree all-around visibility, and a remote-controlled combat module is mounted on the roof. There's also an explosive suppression system, as well as a defense mechanism against chemical, bacteriological, and nuclear attacks. M-Park is designed for evacuation of damaged military equipment, including armored vehicles. The vehicle is based on the Tatra 8x8 all-wheel drive chassis with independent wheel suspension and a centralized tire inflation system. Cymex's patented TFC 400 continuous cutting heads are specially designed to fit mini excavators and excavators with a 6 to 12-ton capacity. Their innovative system allows the head to cut the entire width of the nozzle without tearing in the center or sides. Ideal for finishing flat surfaces and trenches. Quiet and precise in the working area, they do not intrude on the environment. Versatile and highly productive, they can be used for crushing roots and tree trunks, milling asphalt and cement, milling plaster. Thanks to the side discs, perfect control of the removed layer is ensured. The brand new Wallenstein wood splitter model WP525 has a 3-sided box wedge. Utilizing gravity thanks to its contour design, this 2-stage function handles each division with ease. The technique is also equipped with a dividing valve with automatic return. The 1,200-pound hydraulic winch makes it effortless to lift heavy logs. The wood splitter features a compact self-contained design, lightweight and small. It takes up little space. Its floating stabilizer prevents the log from twisting when cutting to length. The equipment can be easily towed on a highway with a tow bar, highway tires, safety chains, and full trailer lighting. These roughneck lifting tongs feature 4 grips for safety and stability when handling heavy logs. The device measures 28 inches. Its jaw opens easily and can handle logs up to 2,200 pounds. The design is very sturdy and clingy, so with it, you will definitely have no problem coping with the task of carrying wood logs from place to place. The pointed tips on the tongs provide the most secure grip. Mulog is the best in high-performance and innovative technology for road and rail equipment. That's why they create their unique curb and slope mowers, perfectly suited for your Unimog. This time they've presented a combination of equipment, including 3 units mounted on one vehicle for simultaneous use. By the way, they have a range of 25.5 feet. These versatile Mulog products perform many additional functions with innovative workheads and attachments, including washing and cleaning heads for solar panels, street lights, tunnels, and bus stops, high-level tree trimming and sawing heads, weed brushes, ditch cleaners, garbage disposals, and more. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, the SLR 150H from Dango and Dynenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easy switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press, and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They're specially designed for use in forging and ring rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. Pay your attention to the aluminum ZK22-2 from Van Ginkel Machines. This stunning tipper trailer has a very robust and reliable construction, which has been thought out by the manufacturer literally down to the smallest detail. That's why you can rest assured, this tandem tipper trailer is especially ideal for heavy-duty work. This tandem vehicle has a BPW axle with 10 holes of 5.9 inches. The vehicle has a tractor-controlled hydraulic support, LED lighting, a tapered bucket for better unloading, air brakes, and a swivel towing eye. The hopper size is 5,000 by 2,300 by 1,050 inches, and the track width is 76.8 inches. KGHM Zanam produced for its German customer a superloader model LKP0703. It should be noted that this efficient equipment was designed exactly for him, considering all the requirements and wishes. The main advantage of this loader is a new system of remote control, which allows you to perform particularly complex tasks in modern mines. You can see what this productive monster looks like in this video. The Multi-One solar panel brush is designed to clean photovoltaic solar panels and help maintain an optimized performance. The large rotating brush with soft bristles will allow you to clean approximately 14.1 feet quickly, efficiently, and without damaging your solar panels. The spray boom is equipped with 7 interchangeable nozzles at once. Greater autonomy is provided by the large tank, 500 liters or 132 gallons, and the low water consumption of the bristles, 270 liters per hour, 400 liters per hour, or 550 liters per hour, depending on the nozzles used between the 3 standard types. The cleaning brush can be rotated so that many rows of solar panels can be cleaned quickly and easily. An exciting new video, the Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle can traverse any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion B.J. Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, easily tackling the most impassable of obstacles. The car was built on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The Auto has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on original design wheels. 2 of them are driven by internally controlled hydraulic motors. The King shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and obstacles with ease. It also features a powerful Chevrolet LS engine in the rear of the vehicle. The Cross Elephant Carrot Washer is equipped to remove stones, wash, and shred the product. All elephant washers have a 3.3-foot web width, which provides higher throughput than the Rhino's 2.1-foot web width. The elephant can be used on the most contaminated carrot crops to provide a clean and safe product for consumers, as well as clean samples for anaerobic digestion. This washing machine also has a pre-cleaning feature that helps water retain longer per cycle. The elephant is capable of removing 100% of the stones from a carrot crop. The water in the elephant can be stored much longer than most similar machines due to the water purification system while the machine is running. Drive options include engine, PTO, and electric. The M1070 Oshkosh is an American tank transporter manufactured by Oshkosh. In current operation, the model is coupled with the semi-trailer M1000 DRS technologies. The main purpose of this combination for the U.S. Army is the transport of the M1 Abrams tank. The fully enclosed cab accommodates the driver, 1 crew member, and up to 4 passengers. The original cab met the requirements of the LTAS armor strategy and can use optional B-kit suspended armor kits. The original A0 is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V92TA engine, developing 500 horsepower at 2,100 RPM and 1,993 Newton-meters of torque at 1,200 RPM. It's mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. Introducing the new Ophi London Double Stack Container Super B Double Scale Trailer. Despite the very long name of the technique, I can say one thing. It offers an entirely new working concept that can be used in container ports. It is indeed a combination of very high productivity with a 100% improvement in load capacity compared to existing Super B double combinations. The technique allows you to carry 8 containers of 20 feet or 4 containers of 40 feet in a single trip, which gives you a huge advantage in transportation at a much lower cost. You see the Flat Cat Equipment Trailer, an innovative new trailer for various equipment. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinged platform design makes it easy to load and transport various equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. The Fat Cat trailer features the industry's first hydraulically driven torsion bar suspension, an 80-inch platform width, lengths from 14 to 22 feet, and a GVWR of up to 14,000 pounds. Also, Flat Cat is ideal for hauling low vehicles such as classic or vintage cars. Evitech's Trex 44 is designed for mowing vegetation from slopes and other areas considered risky and uncomfortable for humans. The technique has a lower center of gravity, works well on rough terrain, and has durable tracks. The patented hybrid power system generates the power needed to drive high-torque DC motors. This hybrid slope mower is not only powerful, it's also environmentally friendly. It exerts the lowest ground pressure of any mower of its kind, thus preventing erosion processes. The Trex has full remote control of starting, stopping, and traveling, as well as blade opening with the Ogura electric clutch. The operating range is up to 2,000 feet from the controller, with a battery life of up to 20 hours. The new state-of-the-art Centurion tire trailer has been designed to improve safety, efficiency, and productivity when moving heavy mobile equipment tires for the mining industry. For the first time, the largest heavy mobile equipment tires can be transported as part of a triple combination trailer, reducing the number of pilots and drivers required. And you get double the productivity. Each trailer is equipped with an electronic stability control system and meets the strictest safety standards of the National Heavy Vehicle Regulation. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.